Hi my dear student, once again welcome to our online classes. I hope all are fine in your home. In previous class we have discussed the plants are useful and how our plants are useful we all are discussed. Apart from fruits and vegetables we have discussed our plants also gives grains and different pulses. So today we will going to learn apart from grains and pulses what also plants are given to us, that only today we are going to discuss. Okay, so let's start. And last class we will discuss some crops like, look at very carefully here, some crops like cocoa, sugarcane, coffee and tea undergo various processes before we can use them. And I also told you we cannot drink direct, we cannot eat or cannot drink tea direct after plucking the tea leaves from the plant. Okay, so there is a process, some certain process we have to follow it. That process, that tea leaves will go on these under this process, after that we can have it. So like this there are different kinds of plants and other crops are there, we cannot directly consume, we have to go through the some under process, after that it is ready to consume. Okay, so for example I gave the about tea leaves. Now we will come to our sugar cane, and you might have seen the sugar cane in market also. If you have a field, sugar cane field, you might have seen that different types of sugar canes. Sugar cane is a giant grass, you know the sugar cane is a very giant grass. The stalk contain a sweet and juice sap, we can peel and directly suck the natural juice. If you might have seen the sugar cane, it is a very giant grass, means it is very big, it is a grass like structure, very big also. Okay, sugar cane, see, sugar cane structure is like this. This is sugar cane. Okay, so this is the sugar cane, it is a very big giant grass like structure. So how will you use it? We can peel and directly suck the natural juice. You might have seen in different market also, they will selling sugar cane juice after the some process, but we can drink the direct the natural juice after peel. It is very tasty also. Sugar cane is mostly used to make sugar and jaggery, so it is very important. Sugar cane is we will use for sugar or jaggery. Understood? So some of these things you see here, sugar canes, this is the sugar cane, they are the farmers, they are bringing sugar cane from the land, and there is some machine through which the sugar cane is going some under process, after that we are making the sugar jaggery. Okay, jaggery you might have eaten in your home or by adding some foods, that is the jaggery. Okay, so this type of some crops, that means it will go on some under process, after that we can consume it. Understood? So like this, apart from the crops and vegetables and grains and pulses or fruits, also the plants also giving different types of herbs and spices. Okay, what is herbs and what is spices? We use herbs and spices to add flavor to our food. Okay, so apart from the different fruits, vegetables and crops and pulses or grains, the plant also gives different herbs and spices. Cardamom, pepper, asafoetida or hing, cumin seed or jeera, cinnamon and fennel are some spices you find in every kitchen. And you might have seen your mothers, if you are cooking, she used to add different types of spices in your curry, and different herbs also. Herbs like coriander leaves and mint, spices, different spices like cardamoms, peppers and asafoetida or hing, we can say hing, and cumin seed or jeera, we can say. You know, the in every kitchen all the this type of spices are available in every kitchens. Means not only your kitchen or our kitchen, it's every kitchen room we can find out this type of different spices. And this type of spices, means spices or herbs, we will get from plant also. Okay, so plant is our main source where from which we will get different types of fruits, vegetables, grains and pulses from, or herbs and spices from plants. Okay, so a spice could be a dried seed, root, bark or fruit of a plant. So a spice could be a dried seed. Okay, spice which you are using means you think it is a cardamoms or pepper, asafoetida or hing, we can say, or cumin. So these are the what? These are the dried seed. It may be dried seed, it may be root, it may be a bark of a plant or fruit of a plant. Okay, so these all spices and herbs what we are using, it is a part of a plant body. Okay, it may be a seed part, it may be a root part or bark or fruit of the plant body. So these are the different herbs and spices what we are using in our curry. Okay, so here name 3 spices other than those mentioned above that mommy has in her kitchen. And these are the things, the different remaining these spices, or except these spices, and whatever you know the other spices you have to write down here. Okay student, understood? So now you see, do we also get salt from the plant? Do we also get salt from the plant? And you always will use salt, or we will add salt to our curry because for tasty also. So do you that salt it comes from plant? Who will say very good? No, we will not get salt from plant. Okay, then how will you get salt from? Where you will get salt? So salt we will get from the sea water. Only remember sea water. It plant will not give any salt from the plant. Okay, or we will not get any salt from the plant, or plant will not give any salt. So next you come to here, we get oil from the certain plants, or oil is used for cooking. We get oil from the certain plants also. And what we are using the different types of oils for curry, to make a curry. So this oil also will get from the certain plant. Okay, so oil used for cooking. Apart from cooking, oil also used for to apply our body, like coconut oil, which we will use for our body for healthy. Okay, so these are the things what we are going to get from the plant only. Okay, so fruits, vegetables, greens, pulses, herbs, spices and oil also will get from the plant. Understood? So these are the things we will get the plant. Now we will write down some Note what are the things we will get from the plant. Look at very carefully. First point, apart from the fruits and vegetables or grains or pulses, plant also give herbs and spices. So apart from grains and pulses, plant also gives different herbs and spices. Okay, so apart from the grains and pulses, plant also give different herbs and spices. Yes or no? So for example, what are the spices? Herbs. What are the herbs? Coriander leaf, mint, mint, etc. Okay, and what are the spices? Different spices like cardamoms, pepper, pepper, cumin, that we can say jeera. Okay, cumin, cinnamon, and fennel, FENNEL. Okay, so like these are the some spices and herbs we will get from the plant body. Okay, so apart from grains and pulses, plant also gives different herbs and spices. So like herbs like coriander leaves, mint we will use to add to our curry for tasty also. For good flavor we will use different spices, cardamoms, pepper, cumin or jeera powder we can say, and cinnamons and fennel, etc. This type of spices we will use to curry for a good flavor. And you can ask in your mom in kitchen, during the kitchen time you can ask your mom can show what is cardamoms, peppers, cumin and cinnamon. So these all the things are the different types of herbs and spices what we will use to our curry, and these all are things we will get from our plant only. Okay, so apart from the herbs and spices, the plant also gives the different oil we will get from the plant. Okay, so these all spices could be dried seed, root, bark or fruit of a plant. FRUIT, fruit of plants. Okay, so these all spices what I said like cardamoms, pepper and cumin, jeera or cinnamons and fennel, these all are the it may be seed, it may be root, it may be bark or fruit of a plant. Okay, so these all are the different parts of the plant body what we are using. It is in dried position. Okay, directly we cannot use it. After dried we will use different types of roots, bark and fruit of the plant. Okay, so apart from the herbs and spices, plants also oil we will get from the plant only, certain plant. So we get oil also, we get oil from certain plant also. Okay, certain plants. Okay, we get oil from certain plants. For example, which oil? Mustard oil, mustard oil, sunflower oil, and coconut oil, etc. Or different types of olive oil also are there. So different types of oil also we will get certain plant body, certain plant also. Oil we will get certain plant also. So these all are things what we will get from our plant body only. Okay. So first of all, apart from the fruits, vegetables and grains, pulses, we also get different types of herbs and spices from the plant body. Yes or no? So apart from the herbs and spices, the plant also give different oil. Okay, different oil what we are using in our curry, for making any curry. So these oil also will get different types of plants like mustard oil, sunflower oil and coconut oil. These mustard oil will get from mustard plant, and sunflower oil will get from sunflower plant, and coconut oil we will get from our coconut plant only. Understood, students? So apart from the next point, apart from the food and wood and different herbs and spices or vegetables, we get also different product like rubber, gum and medicines and various fibers from the plant. Okay, so student, these are the different spices and food material what we are using. But apart from the different food and spices, vegetables or grains, pulses or herbs and spices, do you know what other things what we are getting from the plants? Can anyone tell me? Do we use different types of woods in our homes? Very good. We will use different types of, see student, different types of wood also to construct our homes. Do we use wood to construct our homes? Did you use any type of wood for to construct anything or any furniture in your home? Did you see? Very good. So apart from the fruits and vegetables and grains, pulses, spices, herbs, plant also give different type of wood to which we can make different types of furniture in our home. Especially example, the main example is bed, door, window and different types of chair, table we will use with the help of a plant body, that means wood. Okay. So apart from these all things, also plant gives different types of woods that we will use to make different types of chair, bench, bed, door, window and other furniture also we will use. And you see that this is the pencil, it is also made of our wood. Okay, plant body. And here I am using a stick. This stick also used, it is also a plant body. Okay, so it is also made of wood only. So these wood are comes from the plant body. So understood. So wood usually comes from the branches or trunk of the plant. Bigger plant like tree give more and strong wood. See here student, here plants are there and here plants are there. This is the stem part. That stem part or branch part, it will say this is the trunk for a big tree. So this part, trunk part or branch part, we will use to make different types of furniture, means bed, window and door, like this type of stick also and pencil also. So these are you will use to by the help of woods or trunks or branches of a plant body. Understood? So, except apart from the food and wood, we also get many products like rubber, gum and medicines and various fibers from the plant. You see one man which is collecting the rubber liquid from the plant body. How the process you see. Okay, after cutting a tree, the rubber's liquid are come out from the plant body. It is white color, that we will use as our rubber. So apart from the plant, apart from food and wood, we also get many products like rubber, and rubber like means what we are using for erasing, and different types of other rubber, and gum what we are using for our to paste different things, and medicines and various fibers from the plant. So all the things we are getting from the plant body only. Okay, understood? Rubber is used for making tires, pipes and also for erasing the what I writing and erasing and different types of other materials we are using for the rubber. And cotton and jute are also two types of plant fiber. Fiber means cotton and jute. Cotton and jute, like you see, this is a our dress made of different cottons, and jute means different types of thread which are used by the jute. Okay, so these all are things are we are also getting from our plant body. In which season cotton harvested, is silk also obtained from the plant, and also apart from the cotton, jute, silk also we are getting from the plant body or from plant. When you will go for higher study, you come to know. Okay, so these all are things we are getting from the plant body. Name two things and other than the clothes you wear that are made using the cotton. See here, paper also, that paper which we are using for used for writing, that paper also made of plant, and shirt are made of the different types of cottons, and that also we are getting from the plant only. And these are the thread, and money also we use to made money also different types of plant body, means paper, especially paper it is used made of the plant body only. Okay, and different types of box or basket also we are wood basket we are made of the plant body. So neem, tulsi, turmeric and eucalyptus are used for making medicines. So different types of medicine like turmeric plant and neem plant and eucalyptus are used for making medicine. So these are the plants which you will use for different medicines. Understood? So plant not only giving the fruits and vegetables, apart from the fruits and vegetables, it is also giving the grains, different herbs and spices and medicines, fiber, rubber, gum. So all the things we are getting from the plant. See here, so apart from the food, apart from the food, wood, we also get many products like rubber, gum, medicines and various fibers and cottons. Various fibers, cottons from plants. Okay, so apart from the food and wood, we also get many products like rubber, gum, medicine and various fibers and cottons from the plant body. And so these all are things which I will get from the plant body only. Okay, or plant. Understood, students? And I will show you. So how? See here I am telling how the man is getting or collecting the rubber liquid from the plant body. Okay, and see here the different things we made of the plant only, and medicines, turmeric we are getting from the different medicine plant like turmeric, neem and eucalyptus used for making medicines. And now I will show you how I told you, and the cardamoms and different spices are, these are the dried seed, root or bark or fruit of a plant body. I will show you lastly. Understood, students? See, these are the different spices you might have seen in your kitchen. See, this is the cumin. First of all, this is the cumin. These are the cumin. Okay, and black circular shape, this is the first of all, these are the cumin or jeera we can say, and black color, these are called peppers, black pepper. Okay, and these are the cardamoms, and these are the bark of the plant, that is called cinnamons. Okay, see, you might have seen in your kitchen this type of spices in your kitchen, or you can find also during kitchen time, you can ask your mom also. So these all are spices are dried. Okay, it is a dried of the bark of a plant, dried bark, and it is also dried, and cumin also, these are the dried, it may be a seed, and remaining also another thing is there here, clove is there. See, it is a fruit part or flower part of the plant, so that is called a clove. This is called a clove. So see here, it is a clove, it is a cardamoms, it is a black pepper, it is a cumin, and it is called cinnamons. These all are the dried. Okay, dried of the plant body, means it is a bark of a plant body, it is a flower of a plant body, it is a fruit of a plant body, and it is also fruit of a plant body, and cumin also fruit of a plant body. Okay, and this is the bark of the plant body. So these all are the dried, which we will discuss in, we said cardamoms, peppers and cumin, jeera and fennels, these all spices could be dried seed, root or bark or fruit of the plant body. Understood? I hope all of you understood properly. Is it clear to everybody? So these all the things what we are getting from our plant body. Not only the foods and vegetables, also we will get different types of herbs, spices, oil, medicines, gum, rubber and cotton, fibers. So all the things we will get from the plant body. I hope all of you understood, and next class also we will study remaining all things, and whatever the other remaining things are there, what we are getting from the plant body, and this is all are useful to our day to day life. Okay student, I hope is it clear to everybody. Thank you students, thank you very much, take care.